So in this video, what we're going to be looking at how you can use text on your web page. Now, it's relatively straightforward, but everything you need to do goes inside the body tag. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to do h1, and I'm going to say, welcome to my first web page, okay? I'm going to put a full stop there. And what you need to do is you need to close the tag. Remember, open tags, close tags. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do h3, okay? This is an introduction to my web page. And I'm going to go close that tag, and that is h3. So I'm going to save that now. So that was file save. And when I load it up now, you'll notice that h1 was the highest size you could get, and h3 goes smaller. You can actually go all the way down to h6. So the bigger the number, the smaller the text. So that you'll notice about that, all right? Now, the other thing that we can do is we can put in paragraphs. So I can use the letter P. And I'm going to say, this is my website, and I'm going to include a number of images. It's important for you to make sure that all of your files are organized when you're creating. In fact, I'm going to change this view to word wrap. There we go. Creating a website. And I'm going to close that with a P. So that is a paragraph. So let me save that. Let me refresh that. And you can see I've got my main text now. So I use P for paragraph and H for headings. Now, if I wanted to break it up, rather than doing this again, P, this is me doing the next line. I'm going to say that. All right. What you can actually do in between that is you can use a break. So I'll do that now. And what a break does is it gives you a clean line between your text. So sometimes people do breaks and then images and so on. So that's just a basic introduction on how you can do text on your website. The next video is going to show you how to store an image.